Welcome back to Gadget Waves, your go-to channel for the latest in gadgets, tech, and innovation. Today, we're diving into some of the most exciting gaming and tech devices of the year. We're from cutting-edge VR to handheld gaming consoles. I've got a killer lineup for you. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer or just love the latest tech, stick around as we count down the best to low in today's gadget showdown. First up, we have the Meta Quest 3. This is the headset if you're serious about VR. Meta has taken everything that made the Quest 2 great and turned it up a notch. From the ultra-crisp display to improved mixed reality features, the Quest 3 is the ultimate device for virtual reality gaming and experiences. What sets the Meta Quest 3 apart? It's standalone, so you don't need a powerful PC or console, but you can still connect it to one for an even more intense experience. Plus, the mixed reality feature allows you to merge your real surroundings with virtual elements. The level of immersion you get with this headset is insane. Next up, at number 2, the Sony PlayStation Portal. This handheld is a dream come true for PlayStation gamers. Imagine playing your PS5 games anywhere in your home. That's exactly what the PlayStation Portal offers, a dedicated device for remote play that pairs with your PS5. What makes it special is the 8-inch LCD screen paired with the full DualSense controller experience. You still get the haptic feedback and adaptive triggers you love from the PS5, just in a handheld form. And it's perfect for when someone else needs the TV and you don't want to stop gaming. At number 3, we have the Logitech GCloud Gaming Handheld. This device is for those who want to game on the go without the need for powerful hardware. Instead, it taps into the cloud, Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, you name it. What's great about the GCloud is its lightweight design, super comfortable grips, and fantastic 7-inch 1080p display. With cloud gaming becoming more accessible, this handheld is a solid choice if you want to experience high-quality gaming without carrying around a full console or gaming PC. Moving on to number 4, the Razer Kishi V2 Pro. This mobile gaming controller turns your smartphone into a full-fledged gaming console. Whether you're into cloud gaming or mobile-first titles, the Kishi V2 Pro has you covered. The improved ergonomics and haptic feedback make this version a big upgrade. It feels amazing in your hands, and with the Kishi V2 Pro, you get console-level controls right on your phone. Mobile gaming just became way more serious. And finally, at number 5, we have the MSI Clutch Series gaming mice. Now, I know this is a bit different from the other gadgets we've seen, but if you're into PC gaming, you'll love the precision and speed these mice offer. MSI's Clutch Series is all about performance whether you're an FPS player or just want something ultra-responsive. These mice have you covered. Plus, they look pretty cool on your desk with that RGB lighting. So, there you have it. From the immersive VR with the Meta Quest 3 to the portable powerhouse of the PlayStation Portal and the Logitech GCloud, these are some of the best gadgets in the market right now. Whether you're into VR, mobile gaming, or just need the perfect gaming mouse, there's something here for everyone. Which of these gadgets caught your eye? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you'd love to get your hands on. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadget Waves, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tech and gadgets.